Father of archaeology in India, Sir Alexander Cunningham. Father of prehistory in India, R.B. Foote, Robert Bruce Foote. Lower Paleolithic time period 2 million to 1 lakh year. Middle Paleolithic time period 3 lakh 85,000 to 40,000 BC. What is time period for Upper Paleolithic period 40,000 to 10,000 BC? Paleolithic era belong to which geological period? Pleistocene period. Mesolithic and Neolithic period belong to which geological period? Holocene period. R.B. Foote was an geologist of Geological Survey of India. Asmount sites are related to Neolithic sites of South India. First excavated lower Paleolithic sites in India was Kuliana in Orissa, Burhabalang Valley. Terry site belong to which period? Mesolithic, which is in Tamil Nadu. Basically, earliest lower Paleolithic sites in India, Athirampakkam in Tamil Nadu, dating goes back to 1.7 to 1.5 million years ago. Earliest evidence of rice from Loharadeva, Sant Kabir Nagar. First stone tool used by Homo habilis from Old Vaigas. Series second means Middle Paleolithic culture. 3 skeletons found in one burial from the Damdama, which is in Pratapgarh, UP. Paleolithic tools mostly made of quartzite. What is the dating of Isampur? 1.2 million year ago. ESR dating है कर्नाटका में. मिडिल पैलेolithic कल्चर अपर प्लेस्टोसीन एरा में होता है. The earliest painting found from Bhimbetka date Upper Paleolithic to Mesolithic. Gudiam cave near Chennai yielding Lower Paleolithic and Upper Paleolithic tools. Bone and ivory object found from Chirand, Bihar, Neolithic sites. Neolithic sites yielding microliths in good number, Joshi and Hetapatti, Prayagraj, Allahabad के पास में. Pit dwelling evidence from Neolithic site Chirand and Burjahom. दो जगहों से मिल रहा है. रिच बोन टूल इंडस्ट्रीज फ्रॉम निगोलिथिक साइट गोलबाई शासन कोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट उड़ीसा. 4 स्केलेटन्स फाउंड इन वन बरियल फ्रॉम सरायनार राय मेसोलिथिक साइट से इन प्रतापगढ़ में. फिशन ट्रैक मेथड इज यूज्ड फॉर डेटिंग वॉल्केनिक केस. फिशन ट्रैक वॉल्केनिक केस. हु इंट्रोड्यूस न्यू आर्कोलॉजी? डेविड एल क्लार्क. डीएल क्लार्क भी कहते हैं. वर्ल्ड वेल्डेस्ट फर्स्ट स्टोन टूल 3.3 million years ago from the Turkana in Kenya, related to which of these after Australopithecus afarensis. Turkana. Natufian culture, Mesolithic period, early agriculture community of Europe. Leotori in Tanzania, earliest footprint के evidence यहाँ से हैं 3.7 million years ago में, मीन्स 35 लाख साल पहले. The earliest evidence of cotton reported from the Meherkand, Shatiyar BC में, मीन्स 7000 BC. Coprology deals with the study of facial remains. Coprology. What is the main tool component of Natufian microlith? Thermoluminescence judging used to date pottery. Sediment भी date कर सकते हैं. Tools भी. What is the date of Holocene? 10,000 BC, approximately 11,700 BC. Who excavated site? Terra Mata, St. Lumley. इसकी रेटिंग 4 लाख है. विच इज द ईस्टर्नमोस्ट साइट ऑफ नियंडरथल ऑक्यूपेशन? ताजिकिस्तान, जो अफगानिस्तान में है. व्हाट इज द मीन बाय डेंड्रोक्रोनोलॉजी? ट्री रिंग काउंटिंग. एब्सोल्यूट डेटिंग है. कोलंबो फॉल्स डेटेड विद द पोलन एनालिसिस. लोहरादेवा द नियोलिथिक सेटलमेंट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द ऑक्सबो लेक. द मिडिल पैलेolithic साइट एसोसिएटेड विद टोपा वोल्केनिक केसेस ज्वालापुरम. Settlement of Asolin culture in primary context is from Chirki, निवास जो महाराष्ट्र में है. मुस्तरा चिंतमनगावी is an upper Paleolithic site excavated by MLK Murthy. The Kurnool cave in southern India were first discovered by R.B. Foote. Which is relative dating method? Fluorine test. Altamira is famous for Paleolithic paintings dated 36,000 BC in Spain. Which in which India sites has revealed the earliest hominid fossil, Hathnora, which is Hosangabad in MP. The scientific name of the Indian domestic cattle is Bos nomdicus. Burine are characterized tool of Upper Paleolithic. The first Paleolithic tools was discovered at Pallavaram in 1863 by R.B. Wood, who discovered dendrochronology method dating. A.E. Douglas, an American scientist, who known as the father of archaeology, William Flinders Petrie, in world context, who discovered Marfa Paleolithic site in 19th century, A.C.L. Carlyle. The Upper Paleolithic culture belonged to late Pleistocene period, geological period. Who is the excavator of Gupkaral Neolithic site, A.K. Sharma, which is in New Kashmir. Hathnora site on the bank of Narmada river. Longest part of human past is Stone Age because it covers 99.9% of human history. Yadiyapur is the primary context site of Gulbarga district, Karnataka, is lower Paleolithic site excavated by K. Padaya. The term Neolithic was coined by John Lubbock and Paleolithic also. Mehergarh Neolithic site excavated by J.F. Jerris. Which method of excavation followed in burial excavation? Quadrant method. Which is most preservable organic material to date? C14, charcoal. Maximum date you can do with tail dating 4 lakh pp. Which Homo used the fire at the first time? Homo erectus. How to know human skeleton age? By analysis of teeth. Middle Paleolithic is also known as the flag culture. Which Mesolithic site reveals dog skeleton with human skeleton? Adamgarh. The oldest evidence of wheat and barley cultivation found from Mehergarh. Upper Paleolithic known as the flag blade culture. Who excavated Adamgarh? R.V. Joshi. Ologarsely is the lower Paleolithic site of Kenya excavated by Glynn Isaac. Lucy, hominin discovered by D. Johnson. Rushdie excavated by G. L. Postel and M. H. Draville. The Olduvai Gorge is in Tanzania. Homo erectus known as upright human. Longest lived human species was Homo erectus. Environmental and Archaeology, book written by K.W. Butcher. Neolithic period is known for domestication and agriculture. Which animal domesticated? Firstly, sheep and dogs. Any object saved by a human is referred to as an artifact. What was first created by Neolithic man? That was pottery. Who were the first to bury their dead? Neanderthal Mano. Human. When did Stone Age era start? 2.5 million years ago. Earliest rock art belonged to period Upper Paleolithic, but in not Indian context. Oldest evidence in human history for the drilling of teeth in a living person was found from the Mehergarh. The Gupkaral Neolithic site is located in which state? Jammu and Kashmir. In India, only hominid fossil from the Hathnora. The archaeological site Bori in Pune district of Maharashtra is about 1.38 million years old. Lower Paleolithic site in Kashmir name is Pahalgam. Malprabha and Ghatprabha basin in Karnataka. Sistinar and Singhi Talab lower Paleolithic sites in Nagaur district, Rajasthan. Prehistoric rock art site in Karnataka, Kupkallu. Hand axe and cleaver were characterized tool of lower Paleolithic age. When megalithic used, Mesolithic period. Agriculture revolution took place in Neolithic age. Dogs were buried in human burial at Burjahom. An Upper Paleolithic mother goddess made of bone has been obtained from the Bilan Valley. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic sites have been found in sequence from the Bilan Valley. What is the number of prehistoric rock shelters in Bhimbetka? 243.